In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use gridlines in Wix to align your design. Gridlines in the Wix editor are a simple but very helpful visual guide that can make your page look cleaner, more professional, and more consistent across different screen sizes. They act like boundaries on the canvas, helping you understand where your content should sit so it stays visible and well-positioned for visitors. If you've ever dragged elements around and wondered whether they were truly lined up, this feature can make the process much easier. To get started, open the Wix editor for your site. Once you are inside the editor, go to the top menu bar and click on Tools. In that menu, select the Gridlines checkbox to turn the feature on. As soon as gridlines appear, you will notice dotted vertical lines on the page. These lines are there to guide your layout and help you build within a safer viewing area. The most important thing to understand is that these two dotted vertical lines represent the central safe zone of your page. This is where your key content should live. Items such as headers, logos, important text, and other primary design elements should be placed inside these boundaries. The reason this matters is that screen sizes can vary and content placed too far outside the safe zone may not display well on smaller screens. Keeping essential elements within these lines helps protect your design and improves the experience for your visitors. As you position items, use the gridlines as a visual reference rather than guessing by eye. Even a small adjustment can make a layout feel much more balanced. This is especially useful when you are working with text boxes, images, buttons, or any content that needs to appear centered and organized. Next, go back to the Tools menu and turn on Snap to Objects by checking that option. This feature is extremely useful because it helps elements magnetically snap into alignment as you drag them around the canvas. Instead of manually trying to place everything perfectly, Wix gives you a more precise way to line things up with the grid lines or with other elements on the page. When both grid lines and Snap to Objects are enabled, designing becomes faster and more accurate. You will spend less time fixing uneven spacing and more time refining the overall look of your site. It's a small adjustment to your workflow, but it can have a big impact on the final result. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.